Hello students, we have Teja with us today and we are going to be discussing hyperbola right after this. So Teja, tell us, what are we going to be studying in this chapter?
Like in this chapter, we'll basically be studying the hyperbola's properties, its tangent properties, normal properties, and an important topic known as asymptotes.
Asymptotes,
Yes.
alright. So tell us a little bit, what are these asymptotes?
Like the asymptotes are the tangents which touch the hyperbola at infinity.
Oh, so a bit like a bit like the y-axis for the tan x equation as such?
Yes.
Okay, so those are asymptotes,
Yes.
things which will touch it at infinity.
But actually they do not touch, we assume that they touch the
Somewhere
hyperbola. Yeah.
along the way, maybe type of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So tell me this, where in this chapter are the major questions from JE concentrated? What is important about it?
Like major things you should concentrate on the rectangular hyperbola and the asymptotes parts.
These two parts.
Yes.
So rectangular hyperbola and asymptotes as such.
Yes.
Also, tell me something interesting about hyperbolas. Like, why would I want to study hyperbolas?
Like see in the...
Apart from JE, that is. Yeah.
If you see in the hyperbola, it has a many architectural monument based on it. For example, the one of the airport known as Dulles Airport, its roof is made of a paraboloid, which on one side looks like a hyperbola and looking on the other side looks like a parabola.
Wait, how is that possible?
It is possible. It's a 3D structure.
Okay.
So if you observe the nuclear reactors, they're in a hyperbolic shape.
Okay, so that you can contain.
The
material as such.
smoke can be easily released from that.
Oh, so hyperbolas as such are important in industrial design as well,
And even in the gear transmission.
Okay.
In the gear transmission, the two shafts are hyperboloids. They are arranged in a perpendicular way.
Okay.
And they move. So even in that, it is a hyperboloid.
Oh, so that is also a hyperbola.
Yes.
Oh, boy, so hyperbola certainly, apart from just being important for JEE, seem to have a lot of practical importance.
Yes.
So, are we going to be what are we going to be covering in the questions that come? Do they sound exciting? Are we going to have practical situations in them, or are we just focusing on IIT JEE?
Means most questions will be focusing on the JEE syllabus.
Okay.
And we have given more importance to the rectangular hyperbola and the asymptote parts because almost whenever the questions have come from the hyperbola chapter, mostly
they come from these two parts as such. So students, you now know why hyperbolas are very important all across the world as such, where they're utilized as well, and how from the JEE point of view, the rectangular hyperbola and asymptotes are something that are important.
Yes.
So we're going to go with that. Let's move on to some of the questions.
Yes.
Okay.